Luke from Surfside has a question about bolt replacement.
Well, they're on his elevated beach house.
Okay.
Luke writes, the bolts that tie the cross beams to the pilings are severely rusted. And he wants to know, should they be replaced, and is there a company you recommend that could replace them for him?
I don't know of a company that'll replace them for him because it's kind of an odd thing. But yeah, if they get really bad, they need to be replaced. Or in my case, when I had my beach house, they rusted out so bad you really couldn't replace them. So I had to take lag bolts on either side of them and just put new lag bolts in so it would hold it up and keep it from shifting too much. So it depends on how bad a shape they're in. But if they can be, if you'll probably have to cut off the nut and then see if they can pull it out. But it's going to have to be shored up, or it could jiggle around a little bit. So whoever does it has to have a technique about keeping it in place when they replace the bolts.
So would you go to somebody who does like piers and stuff like that?
Yeah, I guess you could. It's a carpenter that'll do it. Okay. So if they have to drill new holes, put a new bolt in before they pull the old bolts out, or just leave them there and let them rust away, or you use lag bolts like I did, and I just left the old bolts in there. I didn't pull them out. There's ways to get around it, but you just can't pull the bolt out and slide a new one in. I think you're looking for a little trouble on that one.
Don't look for trouble.
Don't.
No. Look for answers. Send us your questions. Use the Ask Tom form at HomeShowRadio.com. We'll answer your question just like that. And if you click that bell and subscribe, we'll ring yours whenever we post a new one.